Mushroom risotto is a comforting and savory dish that's perfect as a side or a main course. Adjust the level of doneness to your preference, whether you like it slightly al dente or very creamy. Here's how to make it. First, prepare the mushrooms. In a large skillet or wide saucepan, heat olive oil over medium-high heat. Add the sliced mushrooms and cook until they release their moisture and turn golden brown. You can remove some mushrooms for garnish if desired. Next, sauté the onions and garlic. In the same pan with the remaining mushrooms, add the chopped onions and garlic. Sauté until they become translucent and fragrant. Now, toast the rice. Add arborio rice to the pan and cook, stirring, until the rice becomes translucent at the edges. If you'd like, you can deglaze with white wine. Pour in the white wine and cook until it's mostly absorbed by the rice. It's time to start adding the broth. Begin adding hot vegetable broth, 1 ladle at a time, to the rice. Stir constantly and allow the liquid to be absorbed before adding more. Continue this process until the rice is creamy and cooked to your desired level of doneness. About halfway through the cooking process, stir in the cooked mushrooms. To finish the risotto, stir in unsalted butter and grated Parmesan cheese. Continue stirring until the butter and cheese have melted and the risotto is creamy. Season with salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste. Garnish with reserved sautéed mushrooms and chopped fresh parsley if desired. Serve the mushroom risotto hot and enjoy this creamy Italian classic.